Plant FAQs. Dieffenbachia Green Magic. Dieffenbachia Green Magic, your guide to this enchanting houseplant. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today we're diving into the world of the Dieffenbachia Green Magic, a captivating houseplant known for its striking foliage and easy care. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about bringing a touch of magic into your home. What is a Dieffenbachia Green Magic? The Dieffenbachia Green Magic is a cultivar, a cultivated variety, of the Dieffenbachia genus, commonly called dumb cane. This houseplant boasts large, deep green, oval leaves adorned with a prominent white central vein, resembling a magic wand. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and is known for its low maintenance needs. Dieffenbachia sterling versus green magic. I find Dieffenbachia sterling to be more striking with its creamy white leaves edged in deep green, creating a bold contrast that brightens up any room. On the other hand, Dieffenbachia Green Magic has a more classic look with its rich green leaves speckled with lighter shades, offering a calming presence in my indoor garden. Is Dieffenbachia Green Magic easy to care for? Absolutely. This Dieffenbachia is a dream for busy plant owners. Here's the lowdown on its easygoing nature. Light. The Green Magic prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering is a big no-no, as it can lead to root rot. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Temperature. Aim for average room temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat vents. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity levels will keep your green magic happy. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer applied monthly at half strength is beneficial. Withhold fertilizer during winter. How big does a Dieffenbachia Green Magic get? On average, a mature green magic can reach a height and width of around 3 feet. Its growth rate is moderate, so you won't need to repot constantly. However, if the plant becomes root-bound, repot it into a slightly larger container with fresh, well-draining potting mix. Dieffenbachia Green Magic versus Dieffenbachia Seguin. What's the difference? Both Green Magic and Dieffenbachia Seguin, the original dumb cane, belong to the same genus. Here's a quick comparison. Leaves. Green Magic. Dark green leaves with a prominent white central vein. Seguin. Varies. Some have white variegation along the edges or center, while others have a more mottled pattern. Light. Both prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Care. Both are relatively easy to care for with similar watering and temperature needs. Toxicity. Both are toxic to pets and humans if ingested, so keep them out of reach. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference. Green Magic offers a simpler, more elegant look, while Seguin provides a wider variety of leaf patterns. Can I propagate my Dieffenbachia Green Magic? Absolutely. You can propagate your Green Magic through stem cuttings. Here's a simple method. Choose a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where a leaf joins the stem. Make a clean cut just below the node with a sharp knife or pruners. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Place the cutting in a jar or vase filled with water, ensuring the nodes are submerged. Position the jar in bright, indirect sunlight and change the water every few days. Once roots develop, around a month, you can plant the cutting in a pot with well-draining potting mix. Is Dieffenbachia Green Magic toxic? Yes, unfortunately. The Dieffenbachia Green Magic, like all Dieffenbachia varieties, is toxic to pets and humans if ingested. The sap contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation, swelling, and even temporary paralysis in the mouth and throat. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Where can I buy a Dieffenbachia Green Magic? Dieffenbachia Green Magic is becoming increasingly popular and can be found at many online plant retailers and local nurseries. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant green leaves and no signs of pests or diseases. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Dieffenbachia Green Magic thrives and adds a touch of magic to your home. Remember, with proper care, this stunning houseplant will reward you with years of beauty and effortless greenery.